By the end of this video, you're going to know about a brand new AI tool that allows you to scrape thousands of websites in just a few seconds. And you're going to know exactly how to use it and a bunch of different use cases that you could start to use this for today to make money or to save yourself a ton of time. Now, the tool that I'm talking about is going to be Apify.com. As we can see here, Apify is the largest ecosystem where developers build and publish web scrapers, AI agents, and automation tools. They call them actors, and lucky for you, you could start to actually use these actors. So all you have to do is actually register and sign up. You're going to get some free credits so you could start checking these things out immediately. And then after you do that, you'll click on Go Console, and then from here, this right here will be brought up. Now, I know it looks a little bit confusing here, but this is actually incredibly simple to use. If you click on Apify Store right here, you will be able to search for a bunch of different actors that are related to specific things, and you could go through all these different use cases right here. For example, let's say that you were trying to get leads for your business. If you type in lead right here, it will then bring up a bunch of different actors here. For example, Apollo Scraper, we can scrape up to 50,000 leads with just a simple URL search. Or let's say maybe that you were trying to create TikTok content. You could come over here and you will be able to actually scrape TikTok videos, or the same thing with Instagram. Or maybe you were looking for a job on LinkedIn. Guess what? If you come over here, type in LinkedIn, you're going to see a bunch of different scrapes for LinkedIn. Now, when it comes to actually using these scrapes, you can do several things with them. You will be able to save them as tasks, you will be able to run them in the future, and you'll be able to access all of your past runs. So I want to walk you through how you can actually use one of these. Let's say, for example, that we click right here and go into the TikTok scraper. Now, if we come into input right here, this is where you're going to see all of the different inputs that you can actually scrape for. For example, with this one, we could scrape by hashtags and we could add them individually, or we could bulk edit them and we could actually choose the number of videos that we will scrape per hashtag. Or let's say that we wanted to scrape by profiles. We would be able to come in here, we'd be able to fill out all this information and then scrape a bunch of different profiles. Or maybe we wanted to scrape by search. In here, you could upload a bunch of different searches and this will go through and actually scrape TikTok for all these different things. And as we can see here, there are a bunch of other things that you could do. For example, where your proxy settings are, and then your different run options here. Now from here, you're literally just going to click save and start. This is going to be different for every actor. For example, if we come back into actors and we come into this Apollo scraper right here, you will see that there is a different way to actually set this up. You're just going to put in a search URL here from Apollo, and then you're going to fill out these run options, and this will go ahead and this will actually run this scrape. Now, once a scrape is actually done here, it will look something like this. If we come into Instagram scraper right here, you'll see that under runs, I ran this scrape right here. And if we click on this, this will actually show us the results. And as we can see here, it scraped a bunch of different Instagram pages in order to find their posts that have gone the most viral. And you can see all the different data that this has collected here. Now, obviously, you'd want to export this right here, and potentially you would then want to run this as a task. And what you'd be able to do is get this to do this every hour, or get this to do this every day, or however frequently you actually wanted to do that. And the way that you would do that is you would click on create task up here, you would click continue, and then you could go through and actually run this as a task that is consistently being run. And what this is going to do is allow you to constantly be scraping the different websites that you want to scrape and then get all of that information. You'll be able to export it and manipulate it however you want to. Now, in addition to that, if you come into Apify Store right here, scroll down a little bit, you are going to see AI agents right here. And what these are a bunch of different AI agents that individuals have built that you will be able to interact with in order to scrape things. For example, we have this AI web agent right here. Essentially what this allows you to do is use natural language prompts to browse the web, click on elements, fill and submit forms, extract data, and take screenshots using the OpenAI API. So you'll be able to start this with a screenshot and you'll be able to give it exact instructions. You'll have to put in your OpenAI API key here, choose what model you want to use, and then this can go through and pretty much scrape anything. Now, before we get into some of those crazy use cases, I need you to smash that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest AI tools. I upload videos like this every single day, and you're not going to want to miss them. In addition to that, I just launched AI Automation School that you could join at the pinned comment below. It's going to teach you things like how to automate your work with AI, how to make more money with AI, and it's the easiest way to get personalized feedback from me on exactly what AI tools you should be using for the jobs you're trying to automate or get done more efficiently. Now, use case number one for this is going to be using this right here to generate leads. If you aren't familiar with Apollo, I will show you exactly what this is. So if we come over to Apollo right here, you will be able to see if we log in right here, and you could sign up and get started with this for free, that once you are in here, you are able to go through and you are able to get leads on a bunch of different things. If we come over here to lists, or even better, come into people, you will be able to search by a bunch of different things. You will be able to search for different personas. You will be able to search for different job titles. You will be able to search for different companies, different locations, number of employees, industries. And if you click on AI filters right here, you could actually go through and use AI filters to go through a bunch of different things. And as we can see here, this is where you could actually filter down leads. You go through here, and then from this is going to create a URL. You then take this URL, you come back over here and you put it in here and tell it how many people you want it to get. You go ahead and actually run this. And what this is going to do is then give you a bunch of different results here, which are going to be all the different names and all the different email addresses that fit the criteria that you have in here. So going through and doing this is then going to bring up a bunch of different people. For example, if we come over here and we type in something like Chief Accounting Officer right here, this will then go through and this is going to give us a bunch of different records here. Now, using Apify, we will be able to scrape all of this right here in order to have it in one nice, easy to use Excel sheet. Use case number two, and this is one of my personal favorites, is if we come into Apify store, click on TikTok scraper right here, this will allow you to scrape for a bunch of different searches. For example, we could see all the different searches that I have in here that are related to a specific niche. So let's say that I am trying to find trends on TikTok that fit all these different searches. I will then be able to come down here, I will be able to run this. So we could come down here, click save and start. This is going to go ahead and actually run right here. And now this is going to find us all of the different trending posts for the exact searches that we had specified in here. And after a few seconds, you will see that this begins to populate right here with all of those different trends that are showing up within those different searches. As you can see, this literally just went through and searched for all these different things and gave me exactly what was trending in here. Now, what we could do with this is we could export these results and go through, and guess what? We will be able to see exactly what is trending, what length content we should be creating, and what hooks we should be using, and what creators we need to be looking at, because they're going to be our competitors on TikTok. Now, again, you could do this with TikTok. You could do this with Instagram. You could do this with YouTube. You could do this with X. If you were posting on any social media platform and you aren't using something like this in order to figure out exactly what is trending, you are going to get left behind, because this is how your competitors always know exactly what's trending. I mean, look at this. Literally, in just a minute, I was able to get 385 different trends that were going on under the different searches that I specified. In the past, this probably would have taken me hours to do. Now, the next one that I would strongly suggest that you check out is this right here, the LinkedIn Scraper. This is designed both for personal and professional use. Literally, you just enter in your desired job title and location, and this is going to give you an entire list of job opportunities. You could put it in the title, you could put it in location, you could put in specific companies, you could even put in those companies' IDs, and you could specify when it was published, all the different rows, whether or not it's on-site or remote, the job type, the experience level, and you will be able to run this. If you are searching for a job, or you're trying to hire for jobs, or you're trying to do something along the lines of recruiting, this is going to change your life. Why? Because this is going to allow you to do days of work, weeks of work, months of work in just a few seconds by letting this web scraper do most of it for you. Now, the final use case that I really love this for is going to be real estate related. I deal with a lot of folks in real estate that are trying to leverage AI, and these tools right here make this incredibly easy. In fact, they have them for Airbnb. They have them for apartments.com. They have them for Zillow. They have them for Realtor.com, for LoopNet, pretty much for anything that you could be trying to do in real estate, even Crexy or even different UK websites here or Redfin or StreetEasy. They have a bunch of different scrapers that you could begin using in order to scrape listings, to reach out to people quicker, to get comps quicker, to be able to plug all of this into ChatGPT and have it do better analysis. This right here is going to be a game changer. So no matter what your use case is, I'd strongly suggest you come over here, type in the website that you might be trying to scrape in order to see if they have a scraper for it. If not, you're going to come into the store right here. You're going to scroll down, find this AI agent, and that could also help you do the scrape that you're trying to do. Now, if you enjoyed this video, you're gonna love this video right here that walks you through the 5 latest updates to ChatGPT that unlock new features that you probably haven't seen yet or haven't heard of. I'll see you over there.